My name is Candice and I'm a fourth year student at the University of Toronto studying health and disease. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make electric cornstarch using a balloon. Everything in the universe is made up of atoms. Each atom has protons, which have positive charge, electrons, which have negative charge, and neutrons, which have no charge. We'll take a closer look at this as we give a balloon extra negative charge so it can freeze the cornstarch in the air. Here is a list of ingredients and materials you will need. First, pour 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch into a large bowl. Next, pour in 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil into the same bowl. Now stir the mixture until thick using a large spoon. Next, you're going to blow a balloon and tie it off. This step is a little tricky, so make sure you ask your parent for help. If you have a balloon pump at home, you can use that as well. As you bring a spoon of dripping cornstarch closer to the balloon, you will see the liquid cornstarch continue to fall back into the bowl. Now let's rub the balloon against our head and our clothes, and bring the balloon again close to the spoon of dripping cornstarch. We now see the liquid cornstarch freeze or fly onto the balloon. You have just seen the process of static electricity, which means that there's more electrons or protons than the amount of neutrons in the object's atoms. It's also important to note that in this case, we saw attraction occur, which means opposite charges coming together. In other cases, repulsion occurs, which means same charges getting pushed away. The liquid cornstarch and the balloon are neutral objects, meaning its atoms have equal parts of protons, electrons, and neutrons, giving off no charge. This is why the liquid cornstarch didn't freeze in the air when the regular balloon was brought nearby. But when we rub the balloon on a rough surface, like our hair or clothes, we added extra electrons, giving it a negative charge. These extra electrons attracted the protons in the liquid cornstarch, causing it to either freeze in the air or fly onto the balloon. One common place static electricity occurs is inside printers. Paper is given a charge so it can attract ink onto it. Another place is air filters, where they're given a charge so that they can attract dust onto it. And this is found in vacuums, dryers, or even air fresheners. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to send us a photo if you try out the experiment. Make sure to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and our YouTube channel so you can see when we post next.